Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of made in China. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of made in China. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of made in China and you will click. And here if you find updates, then you will update your app as you see. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.